Horses out, we have Mr. Manileño past the begin. King Hans is running by, they're moving up. Etna, Attorney Winona, walking on Sunshine in the middle portion. Sweep, Zingy, Arcturus, and Mediclayla is running up the tail of the field. A solo leader, that is Mr. Manileño, high balling in front, leads by about 3 lengths. King Hans in second, and in third, Sweep, Zingy on the outside. Attorney Winona in the middle portion is walking on Sunshine. Then followed by Sweep, Zingy, Arcturus. It's still Mr. Manileño by 2 lengths. And in second, King Hans, Etna on the outside. Sweep, Zingy, walking on Sunshine, coming closer in fourth position. Attorney Winona, then followed by Arcturus. King Hans, Mr. Manileño, Etna on the outside, walking on Sunshine in fourth position. Then followed by Mythic Layla in favor. King Hans by a length, Etna on the outside, Mythic Layla walking on Sunshine, Mr. Manileño. King Hans moving up now, Mythic Layla on the outside. Mythic Layla now on the outside. King Hans running by the release, walking on Sunshine, Etna. King Hans, Mythic Layla, Etnad, walking on Sunshine, it's now Mythic Layla. Second is Etnad, King Hans walking on Sunshine.
From last to first, that is Mythic